What's up, guys? We are out on another one of my strolls. If you've been a follower of my channel for a while, you'll know that occasionally I'll just pick up my camera and take it with me as I just take a little bit of a walk across my property. It's a good way to stay a little physically active, get a little exercise, as well as just to check on things across my land, make sure that everything is okay, and plus I just enjoy doing it. Today's video is one that I wanted to do and actually wrote an article for my website at boomsticktactical.com, giving you guys an idea for a survival food challenge. It is something that not a lot of people will think about when they think about survival foods. People that are survivalists, people that are true preppers, things like that will obviously recognize why this is important, and it's something that we need to talk about. If you've read the title of the video, if you've read the article, which I will link down below, you'll know the direction that we are headed with this. Now, it is easy for us to talk about storing up food, building up our supply resources, and I have talked previously about why you need to find ways to replenish your food supplies. A very good way to highlight why that is necessary is this survival food challenge. So, what exactly am I talking about? Very simple. It's going to be something that only involves a single meal. Now, for some of you guys, this may be an easy challenge for you to take, for you to be successful at it. And for some of you others, this is going to be something that might be just a little bit challenging for you. But it is something very important for you to do. The challenge is this: make yourself a meal that consists only of what you have grown, what you have harvested, what you've hunted, trapped, that sort of thing. I'm not talking just one thing, you know, like eating a fish or something like that. I'm talking a complete meal, something like you would normally eat, only it be made from things, as I mentioned earlier, that you have harvested, that you have hunted, that you have raised yourself. And in doing so, to be able to do that, for many of you, that is going to be something that requires you to learn a lot of new skills. And that is the whole purpose of this video, the whole purpose of this challenge. Because unless you have been living under a rock with everything that's going on, you will notice that there are times when things that we would normally have, things that we would normally get at the store, are just no longer available. They're not there anymore. Or we see how a brief interruption in the supply of things and shipment can seriously negatively affect the stores. And that is why a skill that is just you being able to provide yourself with food that you did not buy, that you harvested, that you preserved yourself, is so important. Okay, these are skills that were once commonplace among a lot of people in this country, but unfortunately today they're not that common anymore. Back when this was a primarily agricultural society, it was something that most people knew about. They understood how to preserve food, how to raise what they ate, how to hunt, how to fish, and those kind of things. Not to mention the fact that a lot of those activities can be quite fun. So, I would like to know what your meal would consist of down in the comments below. Now, a lot of this is going to depend on where you live at. I know for some people it may be harder than for others, but the reality is the majority of people can find some place to put out some vegetables, to be able to go fishing, things like that. And in doing this, you will develop some very needed skills. You will gain a greater appreciation for the food that you eat and for life in general. So let me know what your meal is down in the comments below. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out that article. I will link it down in the description below. Visit my website at boomsticktactical.com. We will see you next time, and don't go hungry.